Hey guys, welcome back. This is really the final chapter in this old girl. We've got all the floors in, everything, we've got seam sealed. We've put probably 3/4 of a gallon of like this paintable undercoat on the inside just to seal everything down, make it waterproof, water resistant. As you can see, it's looking really nice. Just wanted to show you guys before we buried it in carpet and seats and all that kind of fun stuff, so it's almost a shame to cover it all up, but yeah, it's come out really nice, looking like it always should have. And so yeah, I'm gonna carry on, get carpets, get seats, upholstery in it, and yeah, a few little odds and ends to tidy up, and once it's up on the rack again, and we'll be good to go. So I'm gonna keep at it. See you in a few seconds. Okay. Final few little things to do. We've been under here, we've undercoated underneath, we've run a new fuel line, put some new shocks in it, a few little details like that. But come and have a look. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. It looks really tidy under here, looks factory, pretty much is factory. You can see all the new torque boxes are in, but just everything's pretty, everything's where it's meant to be. There's no ugly patches, it's all complete panels. So yeah, it's pretty slick. It's as slick underneath as it is on top, and that really is how it should be. Just because people can't see it doesn't mean, you know, you don't have to do it correctly. It's everything you do that people can't see that count. So yeah, we're happy with it. We're going to drop it down now, and a couple of you guys have asked about wanting to see that door gap issue now that it's all repaired. So I think a couple of you might be challenging me a little, so that's cool, that's fair. So we're going to drop it down, we'll film the door gaps for you, and you guys be the judge. Okay, here we are back on the ground. You shoot the door gap bearing, I'll hit the button, and we'll see how that gap goes. Pretty good, right? I'm happy with that. You're always going to get a little bit of sag on a convertible going up on the rack. You're lifting it from points that, you know, it's not where the weight of the car normally sits over the wheels. So every convertible you're going to get a little bit. Ideally, the door should still open and close nicely. That's called a technical glitch in Hollywood terms, but that's all right. Carry on, Barry. Hey, so anyway, the door opens and closes like a dream. So I'm going to call that a pass. Now we're going to get it outside, get it clean, drop the top, make sure that everything's nice and clean on the inside, and should be ready to go. Hey guys, well this is it, the final show on the red Mustang Misery, and really it's Mustang Delight now. It's she's running like a charm, just back from a good test drive. It's doing everything it's meant to do. We don't have any rattles or shakes. As you can see, she's coming out really nice. We did a little bit of paint touch up on the right front fender that had some blisters in it. That's really all the exterior paint work we've done. Everything has been done underneath, but I'm really happy with it. It's come out nice. I had it up to 80 mile an hour, and it's just tracking down the road nice and true. It's really doing exactly what it's supposed to do. So we've turned it from a sad story to a good story with a happy ending. So that's what we try and do. But yeah, we've added the wheels to it. We got some wheels off another customer of mine that was going up to 17s. So, you know, he's got some nice, they're still 14s, but they're nice and wide, especially compared to the little bicycle tyres he had on it. So that gives it a real lift. Yeah, they look so different with all the interior back in them and on wheels and on the ground. So he was looking pretty sad there for a while, but he's made a really strong comeback. So really, that's it. It's yeah. So really, that's it. Time to wrap it up. It's Friday afternoon here. It's like 100 degrees in the shade. We're not in the shade. I'm melting, Barry's melting. We're gonna go and grab a cold one. See you guys.